secret ice cream. We're gonna taste it and see what it is.
Wait, seriously? It's called secret
It's
ice
called
cream?
secret ice cream.
It's called secret ice cream? I wanna...
Tokyo IKEA. Who would have thunk it?
Harajuku, Tokyo, Japan, and I'm standing outside of an IKEA. Of course, I have to go in and check it out. Okay, it's a lot more colorful. It's a lot more colorful and kawaii than the North American ones. I don't remember seeing any pet accessories quite like this when we were in North America, but look how cute this is. It's basically 60 Canadian dollars for a little rattan house. And this little tent for 20. That's so cute. A scratching post and even pet toys. We do have these carts, but I feel like they have more colors than we do. Like, I don't remember these colors. They look a lot nicer than what I remembered. We have these chairs, but I don't remember a mushroom cover for it. A little cushion making it a toadstool. How adorable. I don't remember any of these being so cute in Canada. This reminds me of a simpler version of the Herman Miller design coat rack that's horizontal, whereas this is vertical. They also sell apparel or merch maybe. Here's a small apartment unit that they designed. Very minimalist and very Japan-y, obviously. Let's take a tour. I don't remember this lamp because usually I see paper lamps, but this one is fabric. Nor do I remember the color. Maybe I just have to use my memory. But it makes sense because they have such a small amount of space. So dividing it with curtains, making a studio multi-purpose, or like separating sleeping and an office area makes total sense. Typical Japanese apartment, according to IKEA here in Harajuku, this would be the kitchen. I'm assuming this is the entryway because they usually have a small entryway, like this is their mudroom. This would be their mudroom, the laundry, and then you'll walk into your kitchen right here already. Everything is super compact. This is actually quite generous, in my opinion, for counter size for a Tokyo apartment. And they have a tiny fridge, as is custom. This is very typical. And then you have the shower / bathroom combo. And baths are super important. I'm not a Japanese cultural expert, but we've stayed in our fair share of Airbnb. And we were told having a long day's, like after a long day, a bath is how most people in Japan relax. Surprisingly empty. I don't remember these prints. There's apples, lemons on this one, and then look at all the fruit and the flowers, so colorful. The next one, okay, I really like the contrasting colors in this one. And they also have it in green as well. Ooh, this is nice. Okay, I recognize this print. I don't remember this one. This one's really nice. Pots in Toronto, but I don't remember seeing this frame, which I really like. Chrome and wavy. So I've been looking for paper lights, but apparently they have them in IKEA for $6.99. And again, don't remember seeing that in Canada. And this one is a limited collection. I don't know if it's available at Canada, but if you want it, it's right here for $34.99. I think I'm gonna pick up a paper light from IKEA. Might not be the designer, but IKEA's kind of designer, right? You know what I just noticed? We have this exact table, but the dimensions are modified to suit a Japanese home, which is a lot smaller. That's pretty cool. You know what else they don't have? black sesame ice cream?
It's secret ice cream. We're gonna taste it and see what it is.
Wait, seriously? It's called secret
It's
ice
called
cream?
secret ice cream
It's called
flavor.
secret ice cream
And they also have these ice cream with like these little nugget things. I don't know.
again?
It's like ice cream with these like little nugget things. We're gonna try it. It's gonna be really good.
Okay, let's try it.
Wait, I know what this flavor. I know this flavor. What is this flavor?
Mmm,
What is this?
not black sesame. What is this?
Mmm. Vanilla. Caramel.
What is it? It's a little sour.
This is like a kaidan, right?
Mmm. The mochi.
No. Kind of.
Mmm. You know what else they have?
Oolong tea. Gotta try the oolong tea. It'll actually be really good. I'll actually be so sad. I'll be so sad if it's really good.
I like that it's a little sour because you would think it's black sesame, but it's not.
It's okay.
This is really good, but I can't pin the flavor. Like almost like a prune. Oddly enough, like a prune, but great. I think the gray is throwing me off.
It's a fruit.
The other one's vanilla-y, but not vanilla.
It's vanilla.
I wanna-
Tokyo IKEA. Who would have thunk it?
Hope you had fun checking out IKEA with me. It is so cute, and I definitely see things that we don't have back home. So if you're ever in Japan and you want to check it out, you're a fan of IKEA, you should definitely come. All right, see you next time.